Bigme Hibreak S, hands-on, the e-ink device that finally works.
Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're on the subway, phone burning your eyes, notifications screaming, and you just want to read in peace, but your Kindle is dead at home. I've been there, juggling two devices like an idiot. The Bigme Hibreak S ended that nonsense the first day I slipped it into my pocket. Comment, same, if you're tired of carrying both.
Now imagine the relief of pulling one slim device from your jacket, screen cool and calm, battery still at 78% after 3 days of heavy use. No more eye strain that feels like sandpaper, no more panic when your phone dies mid-commute, just pure, focused reading with the power of a real smartphone hiding inside.
Here's where the Bigme Hibreak S breaks the rules in the best way. This isn't some sluggish e-reader pretending to run Android. This is a legit octa-core pocket rocket with 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and full Android 14 that actually feels fast thanks to Bigme's X-Rapid refresh tech. Last week I almost missed a deadline because my train was packed and my laptop bag wouldn't fit. I whipped out the Hibreak S, opened a 400-page PDF, annotated it with the stylus, and emailed the marked-up version before we hit the next stop. The 36-level front light let me read comfortably at 10 p.m. without waking my wife, and the 4G kept me connected when the subway Wi-Fi died. It's the only device that lets you read like it's 2010 but stay connected like it's 2025, without frying your retinas or your brain.
People keep asking if it's really that fast. A well-known e-reader expert said on camera, Bigme's X-Rapid refresh is doing heavy lifting. Scrolling news feeds almost feels normal on e-ink. A digital wellness influencer I follow ditched her iPhone for 30 days and told her 200K followers the Hibreak S is the detox phone that doesn't make you disappear. An industry analyst called it the device that finally fills the void Hisense left. Real commuters are saying things like, I read on the train, answer Slack, and still have battery left on Friday. Yes, it's a little more than a basic Kindle because it actually replaces your phone when you want it to. No learning curve, just install whatever apps you already love. Thousands of us can't stop talking about the Bigme Hibreak S for one simple reason. It works. Which part sounds most useful to you? The pocket size, the 4G freedom, or the fact it won't die for days? Drop it in the comments.
If you are ready to read for hours without eye strain, stay connected without the doom scroll, and finally carry one device instead of 3, this is it. Join the creators, commuters, and digital minimalists already seeing real results with the Bigme Hibreak S every single day. Battery that lasts all week, apps that actually run smooth, and a screen that feels like paper in sunlight. Just tap the link below and see it for yourself. No hype, no pressure, just the smoothest pocket e-ink experience on the planet right now.